Quote creation should be simple, consistent, and easy to trust, but for many sales teams, it means copying opportunity details, rebuilding quote tables, checking pricing, and fixing formatting by hand. The data is already in Salesforce, the document just needs to use it. With nutrient documents for Salesforce, teams can create a reusable quote template that starts from the opportunity. In Template Manager, they create or import an approved quote layout, then connect it to the opportunity as the root record. From there, the template can pull in core details like account information, opportunity name, owner, dates, totals, and other quote fields. For line items, the template can use related quote data to create a flexible table that expands or shrinks based on the actual deal. Conditional sections help keep the quote relevant, showing the right language only when the deal requires it. Once the template is ready, it can be added to the opportunity page so sales teams can generate quotes where they already work. The rep selects the template, generates the quote from live Salesforce data, reviews the output, and saves or exports the final documents as a polished PDF or docx file. The result is a repeatable quote workflow that reduces manual edits, improves consistency, and helps sales teams move from opportunity data to customer-ready quotes faster.